Brief tutorial on how to use a Divi builder to set up and access a template. I've created a new page here on the back end of your website, and with that you click use the Divi builder, and you have this familiar layout here, and what we're going to do is actually click load layout. When you click load layout, you're going to see initially these pre-made ones, but really all of our templates are going to be here in the your saved layout section. So I'm going to click, and my understanding is that today we are looking for an event page template, and here it is. So you can click there, and pretty soon there you have a full page layout. I believe this was the soul to soul page, so I'm going to hit preview just to see what it looks like. And here we go. You'll notice that there might feel like some things are missing. That's because this main section up here, post title, there is no post title at this point. But there you have it. You have an entire page for your specific event. Hopefully this works out well, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions.